If you've ever tried to cook healthier and still ended up accidentally pouring way more oil than you intended, you're not alone. It's surprisingly easy to go from a drizzle to a full tablespoon without realizing it. And that one small mistake can change the entire calorie count of a meal. That's where the Olivia Signature Advanced Kitchen Oil Sprayer comes in. This is designed for home cooks, air fryer users, meal preppers, and anyone trying to control oil usage without giving up flavor. Instead of pouring oil blindly, this gives you a controlled fine mist so you can actually see how much you're using. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, it feels more like a modern kitchen tool than a basic spray bottle. The glass body gives it a clean, premium feel, and it doesn't look out of place sitting on a countertop. The black finish adds a simple, minimal aesthetic that fits most kitchens without trying too hard. More importantly, the build feels sturdy enough for daily use, not something you'd worry about replacing after a few months. The handle is shaped in a way that feels natural in your hand, and the spray mechanism is noticeably smoother than cheaper oil sprayers. Instead of random bursts or uneven streams, you get a more controlled mist that spreads oil evenly across pans, salads, or air fryer baskets. That even coverage matters more than it seems, especially when you're trying to avoid dry spots or excess pooling. In everyday cooking, this is where the Olivia sprayer actually becomes useful. When using an air fryer, for example, a light mist helps achieve crispier results without soaking food in oil. For salads, it distributes dressing more evenly than pouring, which avoids that heavy, soggy feeling at the bottom of the bowl. Even for grilling or baking trays, it helps reduce sticking without overdoing it. One of the most practical features is portion control. Each spray delivers a very small, consistent amount of oil, which makes it easier to track usage if you're watching calories or following a specific diet. It sounds like a small detail, but over time, it really helps you become more intentional with cooking habits. Cleaning and maintenance are also fairly straightforward. The wide bottle opening makes refilling easy, and the glass container doesn't hold on to odors the way some plastic bottles do. The anti-drip design also helps keep your counter cleaner, which is something you don't fully appreciate until you've dealt with oily bottle leaks before. Of course, it's not perfect. Like most fine mist sprayers, it can occasionally require a stronger press to maintain a consistent spray, especially if the oil is thicker or hasn't been used for a while. It also works best with lighter oils, so extremely thick or flavored oils may not mist as evenly. Compared to cheaper plastic oil spray bottles you'll find online or in local stores, the Olivia sprayer feels more refined and consistent. Against higher-end kitchen brands like Misto-style sprayers, it holds up well in terms of mist quality and ease of use, while offering a more modern glass design. It sits in that middle ground where it's clearly more reliable than budget options, but still accessible for everyday home use. Overall, this oil sprayer is best suited for people who want better control over their cooking habits, especially air fryer users, fitness-focused meal preppers, or anyone trying to reduce unnecessary oil without sacrificing flavor or texture. It's not a life-changing gadget, but it quietly improves a habit most people don't think about. If you're trying to cook a bit healthier or just want more control in the kitchen without guesswork, this is one of those simple tools that actually makes sense. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before it changes.